Okay, Dan,
Yeah.
your tree's bent.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I think I'm fucked.
Can't say it on this YouTube.
Oh, okay. I think I'm screwed.
You can say screwed all you want, you just can't say the other one. Okay, so now we got to figure out what your problem is. Which one's bent and how much? You know which one's bent?
I'd say it's this one.
They're both bent, but
They're
this,
both.
but the right one's really bent. So first thing to do is get this out of here. Okay, hold that right there. So we're gonna get this to a flat area. So right off the bat is you can see the angle difference here, and with your left hand, you can see how this tube here is not even close to that tube. See how it's bent out, it's whack, big time out.
Yeah.
So you get that straight, go straight on down your video and look at the camera, see how that's way the hell off. Right back up, see that's straight right there. It's not straight down there, that means it's kicked forward. So this one's kicked forward about at least an inch forward. That's why this is bent like an angle like this. See the trees here, forks over here.
Should be bent this way.
Should be bent. Now, this here should be in the center of the hole up here, and it's not quite centered, so I'm thinking this one's bent slightly also, but mainly this one. So we have to correct for both issues. So the first thing I do, you always go worst first. So where's the worst?
This one.
Okay, that's the first one we have to deal with then.
Yeah.
Okay, how are you going to think you're going to bend that?
You're gonna bend it with this?
With what?
That ain't gonna bend.
Well, with the leverage, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it bends real easy with a fork leverage.
Yeah.
So how are you going to hold this, though?
I don't know.
You don't know how you're going to hold this?
No.
No, either. With your stem over here.
Yeah.
Too bad.
Too bad.
All right. Well, we're going to have to figure out how we're going to hold this.
Do you have a breaker bar we can stick in there and bend it?
Like all kinds of things, but we're going to have to figure out how we're going to straighten this. Okay. So, see that 2x4 down there?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, I don't want to use that one. There should be another one. Give me a block of, give me a couple more there. Give me all those pieces. Is that connected?
Yeah, they're all connected.
Okay, perfect. Okay, grab that. Get this out of our way. This over here. Camera got hit. Good. Okay, you bring the camera and the boards, and I'll do the heavy lifting. Okay, we got to figure out how we're going to hold this thing. Okay, that's out of the way now. So, first thing you need to do is get this thing flattened out a little bit. These are in my way. And these are heavy too. Oh yeah, those are heavy. Put those over here.
Dude, you're probably a strong motherfucker.
Quit talking about your mother like that around here.
You gotta be strong.
Okay. Let's see how we're going to do this here. So, what I want to do is hold this. Something like that. I'd rather not tear up my damn press, so I'm going to put something underneath it to protect it. These look like they're going to protect it.
I don't know. I still don't know what you're doing.
I'll straighten your front end for you.
I'm trying to straighten it out, huh?
Yep.
That's how you do it?
That's how I'm going to do it. I'll get one out of juice before I get down to the bottom. pressure. See how that works? Okay, now this, we're hitting right here. Okay. This needs to come off. I need that nut down there.
Yeah, that.
Let me get this camera away for.
I got it away there.
I think I know what we're doing. I've got the camera buried over here. Do not walk into this, it hurts. So let's get this out of the way. Okay, so.
You want to put this nut on it?
Yes. See, well, hold on, let me see the nut. See how the nut's got a titty on it?
Yep.
See how the fork hole has a hole in it?
Yep. Supposed to slide right in there.
See how the titty goes inside the fork hole there? It's got a
Yep.
pretty tight fit.
Yep.
That's your alignment dowel.
Okay.
When that goes in the hole, we're straight.
Okay.
When it doesn't go in the hole, we're not straight.
We're not straight.
So screw that on until we're straight. So right now we got pressure on the fork leg right here. Pressure on there, pressure there. And I'm pushing on these across the strong part of the tree right here with a big aluminum block. What are you doing over there?
Trying to get this on.
Why don't you screw it on? Don't go too far. Alright. We can take the threads up there a little bit. Okay, we don't be screwing up those threads, so we'll get it flush. Because we can move these legs up further, not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, so that goes there like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this back up on there and hang it up on there, and hopefully it'll be pretty close. Well, this has to be moved, but I have to take some pressure off. So right now I need this here. Winga-banga. So we're going to figure out how we're going to put this over here in my way. So I'm thinking it's going to be in my way like this. There, see how that worked? Perfect. I can get a good view of my elbow as I'm breaking stuff and shoulder. Okay, oh, bang. I'm going to leave the pressure right now. Okay, we need a fork tube. Here, you're in charge of that.
Okay.
Stick it up on the front. How much more do I need to go up?
It's on there.
How much more do I need to go up?
You're flush. No, you need to go up about another 1/4 inch.
Okay, pull the tree up. Jam the tree on there for me. Okay, move this up a little further. Move out of the way. I can't move. Okay. Okay, here's another 1/4 inch or so up. Okay, slip it up on there.
Not too far.
Okay, how much do we need to come back?
1/4 inch. Right there.
Get it on where it belongs.
That's it right there. That's it.
Okay, going forward.
That's it.
Let go. Good. Quit playing with it. Look out. Look out, Dan.
It won't stay.
You're playing too much. Why are you playing so much?
Want to let it go?
Where's it gonna go?
Right
Down?
there. Can't let it go.
You can't let it go.
No.
I can push on harder.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. It's not engaging in a titty. Get up. You have it in the right spot.
In the right spot?
No. You're too far down. Too far up. You want to engage if you're too far up.
Okay, there. That's it.
Okay, look out. Let me get in here. Okay.
You want to let it go?
Okay, it should stay on there now. Okay, running set. Turn the nut up until we engage. If you'll give me one of those cap nuts and hold it on there.
Good cabinet. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so now we have this all the way up on the tube. We're engaged in the dowel right now. I'll put a cap in there so it doesn't fall off. But you grab the one you're going to use, you grab a dirty one.
I don't know which one's clean, which one's dirty.
Well, these ones we're using, the domed ones, so they both go on.
Yeah. I'm gonna use the dome one, give you the other ones.
Now I have to get this to line up with that hole right there. And right now it's not even close. And
Okay, down there.
the two legs are way different from where they need to be. If you're looking at it.
I can see it.
So this one here is way low. So I told you they're both probably bent.
What tells you that?
Well, we're engaged here, right?
Right,
Okay, this is flat here, right?
right.
Does this look flat to you?
No, it's angled.
That's because this one's bent down.
That one's bent down, this one's bent up.
So this one has to go up this way or down here. This one here is going to be the opposite direction,
You're
probably.
right.
So this one here is the one that needs to be bent to make correct for that one. And then this one over here, we will have to correct this one also. Now as that one goes up, it should help this one line up, but this one's bent also. It's been a lot. And now that we got the tree, now we got the thing in the room for 3 people in here. Now can you see a difference in the alignment of your forks?
Yeah, this one's way low, this one's up high.
And how far off is it?
Yeah, at least 1.5 inches.
It's more like 3 inches off.
Like 3 inches off? I believe it.
Yeah, it's not even close.
Those trees were all bent up, huh?
Well, this tree is bent. The top one's probably fine. But like I said, they're both bent.
Yeah.
So this one here needs to be bent to make this square to get the same angle as what that one is. Because right now, I know this one's bent downhill because it won't line up with that. And this one's bent a long ways too. That's why it doesn't line up. So let's go see if I can bend this without moving it, or are we going to have a problem? So I need a little bit of pressure on this one. Now I should be able to take this thing here. See, I got pressure on this right now, so it's not going to let me move it.
Oh, it's pinching it right here.
Yes, it is. Hold pressure on that one. Okay. Bent a little bit, but not a lot. I'd much rather have this thing out of this area. But okay, I'm going to loosen this up. I'm going to be down here anyway, so don't screw things up too much. So, go right to here. I'm going to tighten this bolt up so it squares everything up there. I'm tightening on top on the strong part of the fork tube. It's right where the thread is, and it's right where the cap is inside of it. So that's real strong right there. That's tight. I should be able to just pick this up. Hold on. I'm losing pressure here. Okay, I need something to go under here. So what do we got in our stack of stuff laying around here? I don't see nothing that I'm going to use right now. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to look for something to use. I need a short piece of 2x4 is what I need, but that should be over here. 2x4 is right here.
We got this one over here, it's got 3 of them on it.
Yeah, it was too big.
Is it too big?
Too big.
You want to put it back over there?
I don't know. We're not done yet. Okay, so I'm going to take this. Ugh. See, this one's a little bit on the big side too, so. Got to loosen this up. Now one problem I got is these are different thickness here, so I need to fix that one too. Get this one out of here. Put that one in there. Gotta have the same dimension.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do this here. Put pressure on that right there. Come over here a little ways.
Is this the press you had over in the other shop?
Yep. Okay. Ugh. Why am I so tight in here? Your fucking stud is tearing the shit on my shirt.
Then fucked it up.
Because the damn thing sticks way the hell out. Okay, what are we doing here? See what's going to happen. Okay. See, it's a lot harder to pick up than to put pressure on it.
Yeah, then there's to push it down, huh?
Yes. Okay. I can't get enough force to do what I want that way. Okay. Alright, we need to get out of here somehow. I'm trying to get this thing so it's not going to be a problem hitting the camera. Not so much anyway. Okay, look up. Alright. Okay,
It's coming loose.
Yep, it's good. We're sliding out. Alright, see where we're
Bent
at.
quite a bit there. That's a lot better than it was.
It's moved. She's moved, but we're still not enough.
No, we're still not enough. We're still a couple inches off.
Oh yeah, we're still way low. Okay, where are we at here right now? I'm looking to see what I'm going to do here. See, I have to get this lined up with that.
Yeah, I know it.
And this one's got to be lined up with it.
Well, maybe once this lines up, it'll line this up.
Well, I gotta get this one close, and I gotta go over to that side. So I gotta. This is still the worst one here. So.
You want to do it?
Nope. Okay. Yeah, I just need more pressure. Okay. Somebody wants me. Okay. Let's see what the hell's going on here. Alright. I can't get to this damn thing. Okay. Alright. Look out. Coming out. Let's see where we're at. Alright, we'll be back. Phone's up the ass.
Good answer it.